Hey everybody. Well, today we're doing yet again a different build. I haven't seen one like this, so why not? Let's do it. I really like the idea of it. I mean, a full Arabic build. I've already gone ahead and swapped out our date wheel. If you don't know how to do that, I will stick a video link up here for you. But let's get stuck in, everyone. I've already clipped our dial feet for us. Try to keep this to a kind of a quick build today. Let's see how we can do. Try and keep our times down. Alrighty. Now, this is a fully loomed date wheel, and it is a loomed dial and a loomed bezel insert. So we got all the looms minus the chapter ring. That's not loomed, not today. So we're gonna set some hands real quick. I got it's a blue loom dial, a green loom date wheel, some green loomed hands, and pretty sure that's green loom too, the bezel insert. I will get that sorted out in a bit. But first, does anybody remember Ren and Stimpy? Don't ask. Just one of those things. Make sure everything's going good. Man, that's just a cool looking dial. I like everything about this is just super cool looking. Like I say, I biggest reason for doing this, I haven't seen one. So why not? Figure we're gonna do a full Arabic SKX mod. Oh, and I hope the audio is good. Got some new gear here, so I hope everything is gonna work out well. All right, let's get an hour hand on. Oops. Sorry if the lighting's a little crappy today. The sun is just beating in the window. Ooh, what? New camera, new audio, new video. We can get some nice pictures for everybody. And you can hear me better. Oh, maybe you don't want to. Let me see. Wow, I can hold that right up and see how we're doing. Nice. I likes that. I likes that. Oh, let's get this put on. I still need to take a quick look with my loupe and make sure everything's good though. I appreciate that you guys can see better though. Come on now. Now I worry that you guys are gonna see my faux pas. That's better. That's better. That's better. That's better. Now let's get our minute hand going. You son of a gun. So you guys haven't left me any jokes in the comments lately. You guys gotta help me out here. I mean, I appreciate a good dad joke. Oops, that slipped on me. I appreciate good, silly humor. I grew up in the age of mad comics. Things that are ridiculous. Benny Hill, Mr. Bean, you know, all that good stuff. Oh, cannot forget, of course, Monty Python's Flying Circus. One of the best of them all. Hands down. Although, you know, sometimes hard to watch the older stuff. It just doesn't resonate like it did at the time. You know, I should probably start paying attention to what I'm doing instead of talking here. And I could probably do my job a lot better. Oh my dear. You know, somebody noticed recently I've been fighting the hands. A lot of time, I swear it's because I'm watching through the camera. And or talking. But here we are. I'm going to quickly get this cleaned up and we'll get a second hand put on. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. I cleaned it up. I forgot to give us a go round. So let's do that now. Make sure everything is go roundable. Oh, horrible. We shall move you over a tad, senor. Let's give you a little bit past. And around we go once again. I better be careful. Don't want to be singing. You never know. Get demonetized one day because I'm singing. Wouldn't that be ridiculous? 10-2. Son of a gun. Okay. Whoops. Get back here. One more time for posterity. And if that doesn't fix it, I will fix it. Much better. This we can live with. All right, let's get that second hand on. There it is. There it is. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Okay. I apologize if I steal the view from everyone. Oop. My hand slipped. There we go. And we're looking good. Let's have a quick look. Alrighty. Well, I am going to get this crystal pressed real quick first, actually. I'm going to do that. When we come back, we will get this thing cased up and we will carry on. So, I'm going to do the crystal and the chapter ring. I'll be back. Okay, we're back, but quicker than originally expected. I figure I'm going to tell you guys and show you guys exactly what I'm going to do here. To make sure my chapter ring lines up, a lot of these aftermarket chapter rings do or don't come with little nubbins on the bottom, okay? Some do, some don't. So, to save myself grief, I take and put a small dial dot on the side of it, not the underside, because that can mess with your crystal. Put it on the back side, like on the outside of it there. Just one, enough that you can, you know, it's not going to fight you too much. I get my crystal in there, lined up how I want it, or sorry, my chapter ring, lined up where I want it. Then I'll press my crystal. But before I can do that, and this is why I paused, because I wanted to show you guys what I was up to anyway, I need to put the stem in here and crown and make sure everything is lining up and screwed down, so everything's in the right place. That way I know my markers are right for the chapter ring. So I'm going to go ahead, size my stem, get this chapter ring in and the crystal placed, then we'll be back. Then we'll carry on. All right, everybody. Well, chapter ring's in there. Stem and crown are sized. I threw a case back on there temporarily. Well, probably permanently, but I haven't tightened it down 100% yet. But I like to throw a case back on there at the moment anyway. And now, let's get this clean and installed. So, that's what we're doing next. Quick clean on the crystal. Get it installed. Be right back. Alright, everybody, we're back. Well, got the crystal pressed. We're looking pretty good. Nothing under there giving us issues. Kept seeing little spots of stuff. Man, black dials, I tell you some days. Anyway, I also put some 3M on the back of our bezel insert. Grabbed us a click spring. So let's get moving. Let's get her done. We're almost done this one. This is just a quick one today. I just wanted to get this one done, but also share it because I think it's going to look pretty dang spiffy. Top shelf, if you will. Come on. You son of a soul. Oh no, we're okay. Just didn't pop on. There was no kaboom. But we're good. Alright, well, let's get this inserted. Get out of here. I really like the look of this. To be fair, I can't read it other than I know what it said, you know, I know where the numbers are. But I still think it's really good looking. There we are. There we are. All nice and lined up like. Very, very cool. I think that looks awesome. All right. Well, oh, why are we halfway between days? That's gonna bug me. Probably from when I was monkeying around inside. There we go. Let me just get it onto something at least. Here, 10. Screw you down. Do, hard to do with the gloves on. And let's get a bracelet on this bad boy. Ooh, I put a Green S crown on there just because this thing is pretty loomed up. I don't know. Don't ask. I figured it was appropriate. I was gonna put a red S crown on there, but I was like, you know, there's no other red on there. There is a fair bit of green loom, so that's what I did. That's what I went with today. That was my reasoning behind it all. Take it or leave it, but that was what it was. Oh, slipped in my fingers. Yeah, I fight these gloves once in a while. That getting to this point, you know, start to fight the gloves. Pardon me. All right. Now we'll get this bracelet on, lickety-split, and give you guys a quick loom shot, because I think it's going to be quite nice. There we go. I think that looks awesome. I hope you guys appreciate this as much as I do, because I don't know, I love it. Anyway, give me a sec here to hit it with some loom, Loom-a-doom, the loom of doom. See how it looks. All right, turn off my studio lights. Still gonna be bright from outside, but there you go. Hard to see, hard to make out. I can't close the window all the way. But yeah, blue loom dial, green loom hands, green loom on the date, green loom on the bezel insert. Arabic SKX mod. First one I've seen. Hope you guys like it as much as I do. Anyhow, just a quick one. Whew, look at that dust on the outside of you, son. I gotta get that wiped off. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Appreciate you all. Take care. I'll see you all again soon. Cheers.